Frankie TV giving you exclusive footage. Alright, tell me where we're at.
We're at Bournemouth Gardens pool, that's close to Kingston Airport. It's beautiful day. Beach looks really nice, and I'm just happy to be in Jamaica.
Yes.
Better than being in the cold in New York or London. To express, what Frankie is doing. I really, give him a lot of ratings. It's a great thing. I hope you guys are, inspired globally, not just only locally, right? You could take a look on the view. You could shine it. You see the water. Really beautiful. True. Yeah.
And as you guys can see, you see the surrounding. We have a lot of debris. That section. Where you do this, man? You take a swim. Yes. How are you say?
Huh? Yeah.
As you can see, guys, nice water. Frankie TV, get the exclusive, show you all the place nice. It have whole debris on the ground, you understand? But still, this is a nice water. I can't believe I come so close to it. I don't understand what I'm going on. Water this, Guys, you can see the water this, See me coming out of the water, but I can't really take off all of my clothes. Yeah, man, Prince. Sweet Jamaica.
Dark the banana? Nah, left ya?
Sweet Jamaica, but nah, left ya. I tell you, you have the nice water like this, man. Some nice, man.
Yeah, some nice fishes over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. They also, I think they have alligators in the water too. No, seriously, they do. But more fish, so. Right? Going a little bit further that way, you have Kingston. They have their stalls where they sell their fishes. It's nice. It's really a beautiful city. Upcoming. As it relates to downtown. It's improving a lot more. As it relates to the upkeep, the re-establishment of more profound businesses in downtown Kingston, which is really great, especially the waterfront. There's nowhere better in the Caribbean than Jamaica. Jamaica is just a gem, is a paradise. It's where everybody wants to come. When I go to Europe, everyone know about Jamaica. They're saying, "Oh, you're from Jamaica, that little dot." Yeah. This is where it is. I just love the island, and I love the Caribbean on the whole. It's nowhere greater than Jamaica.
True. As I say, We are enjoying ourselves on the Frankie TV, as you can see. Wonderful beach. And the great prince is here as greatest thing ever.
Thank you.
One love.
One love, my brother.
One love.
One love. Blessings.
Every time. Yeah man. One love. Real love.
Real love.
Yeah man.
Respect.
Alright, 6 minutes that. Yeah man. Alright. So what you doing here, guy? Yeah? Yeah? So you think about the water?
Nice, you know. Jamaica water,
Yeah?
Okay, so we're cleaner.
Okay.
More than the other waters.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see,
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
The hard work, sometimes
Okay. Okay. Okay.
alright.
It's like you want to take off your shoes, man. You want to wet your foot too.
Take a dip, man.
Yeah.
I'm foot him want wet, man. It's like your foot you want wet.
You too, my brother. Alright.
Like your foot you did want wet, Prince.
No man, come we got to look at script, man. I don't know when we get a script.
Oh.
See what I'm referring.
Oh, yeah. No, man, you have to take off your shoes.
Really?
You can't wet up your shoes, Prince. Take off your socks, man.
I don't know what the whole thing is. I don't want to keep the splashing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, just use little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, see Prince, I wet him foot. Show you the natural medicine of the water. Yeah? Yes, man. It's like you love Jamaica bad, Prince,
I
man.
love Jamaica.
Yeah,
Jamaica
man.
is a whole paradise.
You see it, man.
Place that, you can't beat it.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Place on planet Earth.
Yeah? For real. But you say we not left ya.
No, we're not
Sweet, sweet Jamaica.
We're not leaving it. The only thing that we need to do is just a little bit.
Yeah.
And after that's done, working with some of the association volunteers, the models.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Despite all of that, I mean, it's still a great, great island.
Yeah, man.
Island is beautiful. Beaches are great. It's calm, it's not rough. Any time in the morning time, in the evening time, it's just really, calm water.
True. Guys, as you can see, I'm here enjoying myself. See the water? Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice water, man. Alright, say your last word now, Prince.
Yes, with everyone that's tuning in, please, you can subscribe at any time. Follow Frankie TV with his additional clips coming to you live and direct, from Jamaica and beyond as time goes on in the future. And everyone, God first and everything else after. Blessings.
Look out, the enemy. Look out, frenemy. Look out, the friend killer.